One of the best ways to make your PC experience more efficient and enjoyable is to personalize your start menu so that you have all of the applications, folders, and websites that you use on a daily basis at your fingertips. We'll start by left-clicking once on the Windows icon at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, which will launch the start menu. You'll likely see your name at the top of the menu. Clicking on your name will give you options regarding user accounts, including adjusting your account settings, locking the computer, signing out of your account, or simply switching to another user. Below your name, there's a list of frequently used applications. You'll also find File Explorer, where by clicking on the arrow, you can find pinned and frequented folders. In the Start menu, you'll also access PC settings, shut down your computer, and access all of the apps that you have installed on your computer. In this tutorial, however, we're going to focus on the right side of the menu, where you'll find a variety of square and rectangular icons called tiles. Tiles can represent a variety of items such as applications, folders, websites, sports teams, stocks, etc. The idea of the Start menu is to create tiles that accommodate your daily routine and interests and organize them in a way that you can easily find them. Some of the tiles are live, which means that they display updated information such as news headlines, stock quotes, sports scores, and emails, and more. And these tiles allow you to get information without having to actually open the application. Before we work with the tiles, I want to quickly look at resizing the Start menu. Depending on your preference, you can widen the Start menu by moving your cursor to the right edge of the menu until the cursor becomes two small white arrows pointing in opposite directions. When you see those arrows, left-click and hold and drag to the right to widen the menu and to the left to make it more narrow. You can do the same with the height of the menu. The first step in customizing your Start menu is to get rid of any tile that you don't think you'll need. Windows 10 comes preloaded with lots of applications that you probably won't use on a daily basis, so it makes sense to remove them from the menu. To do so, right-click on the tile that you would like to remove and left-click on Unpin from Start. The important thing to remember is that unpinning does not uninstall or delete anything. It simply removes the shortcut. You might want to pause this video now and take a few moments to unpin any unwanted tiles. Once you're finished unpinning tiles, you'll want to begin organizing the remaining tiles. You'll probably see a number of preset groups that came with Windows 10, the idea being that you can categorize the tiles so that you can locate them faster. To move a tile, it's a simple click and drag process. Left-click and hold on the tile and drag it to a new position. Release the left-click to lock it in place. If you want to create a new group, drag a tile below an existing group until you'll see a light-colored bar appear. Release the left click and you'll see that the tile is on its own. Hover just above the tile and the words New Group will appear. Left click on New Group and type a name for this group. To rename an existing group, click on the name of the group and you can modify or delete that existing name. You can move an entire group by left-clicking and holding on the name of the group and dragging it to a new position. You'll also want to add new tiles for common activities that are not already on your Start menu. If you want to add an application, either find the application in the list of all apps in the Start menu, or search by clicking in the search bar and typing the name of the app. Right-click on the app and select Pin to Start. You'll now find a new tile on the Start menu that represents that application. You can also pin folders. In the Start menu, click File Explorer. Navigate to the folder that you want to pin and right-click on the folder. In the menu that appears, left-click on Pin to Start. To pin a website, open Microsoft Edge, which is the new web browser in Windows 10. You can do so either from the Start menu or by searching for Edge. Navigate to the website that you want to pin, and in the upper right-hand corner, left-click on the three dots. From the menu that appears, select Pin to Start. As of right now, most of the icons for pinned websites are identical with the exception of the name. A couple final options for personalizing your menu include changing the size of the tiles and turning off live tiles. To change the size of a tile, right-click on the tile and move your cursor to the word Resize. From here, you can choose from a variety of sizes. Keep in mind that most apps that feature live tiles are best displayed in wide or large sizes so that there is room for text to appear. If you don't like the live tile idea, you can turn off a live tile by right-clicking on the tile and choosing Turn Off Live Tile. As you can see, taking time to organize your Start menu can save you a lot of time and headaches in the long run. Now you have everything you need at your fingertips. Thank you once again for viewing this Instructor Gadget tutorial. For more resources, visit us at instructorgadget.com.